Hello dear viewers, subscribers and everyone who watched this video. Today I will give you more information about flowers, exactly about the use of the flowers. I love flowers very much and I like to make them and use them in various projects. And today I will telling you about the use of flowers in any project. Now I say some words about flowers. There are two links in the description where can be find crochet flowers, over 200 tutorial, and knitted flowers. Flowers, one of the biggest and brightest topic in crocheting. So this big topic can be divided on two parts: 3D flowers and flat flowers. This big topic has many categories. It depends what tools do you use to create these flowers: crochet hook, knitting needles and hairpin needle. For many years of my work I have been using flowers that made of clothes, leather, fur. Here how my example looks like. In this case we did hand warmers and put flowers on them. The third category is the flowers made in certain techniques in crocheting. For example, flowers in Irish lace, in freeform, hairpin lace. As for knitting, we work it only with flat and 3D flowers. And finally, where you can use the flowers. The first way is decoration for clothes made on fabric and for knitwear clothes. They are all examples on the screen where you will see different clothes were decorated with different flowers. Flowers made with crochet hook and yarn. In this point I decorated jacket with flower in Romanian point lace technique. You can put any hat and sew big beautiful flower on it, and you will look amazing and unusual in the same time. The next way is to use crocheted flowers as a jewelry. Brooches, pendant, buttons, necklaces, bracelets, forelegs, hair pins and hair clips, belts and etc. For example, you crochet any flower and then you will sew it to the round brooch base. In this case, I just made some flowers and sewn them together. These projects are not difficult, so then can be perfect for beginners. The third way, when flower apart a big project as tunic or blouse, jackets. If you are just beginner and you will learn some small flowers and leaves, so you can join them with big swatch. It can be a clothes swatch or knitwear swatch. For example, you are making big tunic and leave some space in it for the small elements or small projects. In this case, you just need pull these small projects to this space and join separate elements with each other with help of the chaotic mesh or sewing needle and yarn. Supposedly I am wearing long tunic that consists of two parts. The back side made with knitting needles and the front side has big hole where I put flowers and leaves joined with mesh with beads. If you experienced crocheter, you would make lacy swatch. You can connect flowers as separate element to the ready projects made with another kind of flowers. The fourth way is where the one side of the model was made of floral elements. You can add leaves. In most of cases it belongs to the techniques. This tunic was did in Irish lace technique. More information about techniques I will say later. I would say it's not difficult work, but you need to have a patience, and as a kind of the work is considered painstaking. If you made all model side of the flowers. As I am joking, for such project you need to do flowers more than kilo. Then you should remove all yarns. To steam these flowers, supposedly flowers can be combined with leaves or another separate elements joined with different ways. And one of the way when flowers can be enclosed in geometric different shapes, such as square, circles, octagons, triangulars, rectangulars, and others. And as a result you will get shawl, blouse, tunic, or just scarf. It's one of the way how to use flowers. It is very interesting way, and you can put ready pattern, or if you had experience you can create your own pattern. You can crochet any flower and make a shape around it. The next direction is flowers made of fur, leather, fabric. There is example on the screen. This wrap made of flowers that joined together with mesh. For this one we use jeans and 4 colors of yarn. For example, you can create flower made of fabric, then crochet trim around it. Now let's look at the warm sweater that was decorated with leather and created small flowers. Also, such leather flowers can be decorated for tablecloths, cover, blanket. Crocheted knitted flowers are one of my favorite topic, and of course many collections were created with using different kinds of flowers. Now watch on the photo that is left from you. The tunic was made in hairpin lace and some flowers that joined with black mesh. You can find a link on our website below the video where you can find some works. This category update all the time. All projects and work was created and made by me. If you have questions or something wrong, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please follow us in social media and crochet with me. And I forgot to tell you about my blouse tunic. Pattern chart diagrams for this model can be found on our website. Link in the description. Thanks for watching and crocheting with me. Create with us!